Hello kids, our today's topic is Be My Multiple, I Will Be a Factor. Let's begin. Learning objectives of the lesson. Numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, number patterns, multiplies of numbers, numbers and its multiple factors, common multiplies, factor tree and multiple problems. Types of numbers. Number 1, natural numbers. Natural numbers are positive integers. For example, 1, 2, 3, and it goes up to infinity. Number 2, whole numbers. Whole numbers are all positive numbers which are starts from 0 and goes up to infinite. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Number 3, rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be written as a fraction where the numerator and denominator are integers. For examples, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 7, 7 by 8, 3 by 4. Number 4, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers that are not rational. In other words, they are numbers that cannot be written as fraction. In decimal form, these numbers go on forever and the same pattern of digits are not repeated. For example, pi 3.14, root 2 1.41. Number 5, real numbers. Real numbers are all the rational numbers and irrational numbers. So all the rational and irrational numbers are included in the real numbers. 6, even numbers. Any number that can be exactly divided by 2 is called as an even numbers. Even numbers always end up with the last digit as 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Some numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Number 7, odd numbers. Any number that cannot be divided by 2 is called as an odd number. Odd numbers always end up with the last digit as 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Number pattern. A list of numbers that follows a certain sequence or pattern. Example 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. Starts at 1 and jumps 3 times. Another example 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Double each time. So these are the number patterns. Story of the cat and the mouse. The hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan the mouse. Kunjan is now on the 14th step and it can jump 2 steps at a time. The cat is on the 3rd step. She can jump 3 steps at a time. If the mouse reaches 28, it can hide in the hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely. Question number 1 from the story. The steps on which the mouse jumps. These steps are 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Question number 2. The steps on which the cat jumps. Answer is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. Question number 3. The steps on which both the cat and mouse jump. Answer is 6, 12, 18, 24 and 28. Question number 4. Can the mouse get away? The answer of the question is yes. Yes, the mouse can get away. Examples of number patterns. Number 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. The pattern is divide or multiple by 3. Question number 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. The pattern is divide or multiple by 2. Question number 3, 5, 10, 15, 20. And the pattern is divide or multiple by 5. Multiple factors 24, 32 and 48. Numbers and its multiple factor, common multiples of 24 and 32. So common multiple of 24 and 32 is 284. Common multiple. Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red circle. If it is multiple of 5, write it in blue circle. Some numbers are multiples of both 3 and 5. So we can say that they are common to both 3 and 5. Which is the smallest among these common multiples? Answer is 10. Solve the following. Question number 1. What are the factors of 10? Answer 2 into 5 and 10 into 1. Question number 2. What are the factors of 36? Answer 6 into 6, 9 into 4, 18 into 2, 36 into 1. Question number 3. What are the factors of 40? So these are 8 into 5, 10 into 4, 20 into 2, 40 into 1. Factor tree. A factor tree lets you find all of the prime factors of your number, where a prime factor is a prime number which evenly divides into your original number. It tells you the number of times that each prime factor appears. For example, suppose you want to take the number 36. So the factors of 36 and the factors of 54. Tiling problems. Question number 1. There is a garden. In Anu's house, in the middle of the garden, there is a path. They decided to tile the path using tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. The mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles and the second row with 3 feet tiles and the third row with 5 feet tiles. The mason has not cut any of the tile. Then what is the shortest length of the path? Answer. The shortest length of the path is the smallest common multiple of 2, 3 and 5. The shortest length of the path is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30 feet. Question number 2. Manoj has made a new house. He wants to lay tiles on the floor. The size of the room is 9 feet into 12 feet. In the market, there are three kinds of square tiles: 1 feet into 1 feet, 2 feet into 2 feet, and 3 feet into 3 feet. Which size of tile should he buy for his room so that he can lay it without cutting? Answer of this question is the area of the room is 9 feet width and 12 foot length. Since the tile of size 2 feet into 2 feet cannot be laid down on the width side of the rooms without cutting, so these types of tiles should not be purchased. He can buy tiles of size 1 feet into 1 feet and 3 feet into 3 feet, as these can be laid down without cutting on the floor. Thank you for watching. B Times Learners. Like and subscribe my channel.